He will not bring a bag tomorrow. Okay.
Um, Magdala siya.
Negative, sorry.
Dili siya magdala og bag ugma.
Sige, positive.
Magdala siya og bag ugma.
Negative, past.
He did not bring a bag yesterday. Okay. He did not bring a bag yesterday. Uh, Nag, nag,
Neg-
dili siya.
what's negative for future?
Oh, dili, right?
I mean past. Sorry.
Oh,
For past is
wala.
wala.
Wala siya nagdala og bag kahapon.
Sige. Present, negative.
He is bringing a bag now.
Neg.
Negative. He's not bringing a bag now.
Mhm.
Uh, dili, no, wala.
Wala.
Wala siya nagdala og bag kahapon.
Sakto. Command, negative.
Bring a bag tomorrow. Pagdala og bag ugma.
Negative.
Ah, ayaw, ayaw dala og bag ugma.
Ayong pagdala rin.
Pagdala. Yeah.
Ayong pagdala og pag ugma. Sige, question.
Will he bring a bag
Negative.
tomorrow? Or will he not bring a bag tomorrow? Mag what dili dili siya magdala dili dili but siya magdala og bag ugma.
How about you do it without ba?
Dili dili magdala dili siya magdala og bag ugma.
Okay. Object focus, negative.
He won't bring the bag tomorrow. He won't bring the bag tomorrow. Wala
Future.
dili niya